Introduction. Hey there, tech enthusiasts. Today, we've got an exciting scoop for you. We're diving deep into the specifications of the brand new smartphone, the Moto G54. Get ready to be amazed. Network. Let's kick things off with network capabilities. The Moto G54 5 grams is a powerhouse, supporting GSM, HSPA, LTE, and even 5G connectivity. It covers 2G, 3G, 4G, and 5G bands, ensuring you stay connected at lightning-fast speeds. Launch. Now, for the big reveal. The Moto G54 was announced just a couple of days ago, in September 2023. Exciting, right? It's expected to hit the market very soon. Body. Taking a look at its physical attributes, the Moto G54 boasts a sleek design. It measures 161.6 by 73.8 by 8.9 mm and weighs in at 192 grams. Its build features a glass front, a plastic back, and a plastic frame, all topped off with a water-repellent design for added durability. Display. Now, let's feast our eyes on that beautiful display. The Moto G54 sports a vibrant 6.5-inch IPS LCD screen with a smooth 120Hz refresh rate. With a resolution of 1080 by 2400 pixels and an impressive 85.5% screen-to-body ratio, your content will shine like never before. Platform. Under the hood, this device runs on the latest Android 13. It's powered by the MediaTek Dimensity 7020 chipset, an octa-core CPU, and an IMGB XM8256 GPU. That's a recipe for snappy performance and efficient multitasking. Memory. Storage won't be an issue either. You can choose between 128GB with 8GB RAM, 256GB with 8GB RAM, or a whopping 256GB with 12GB RAM, ensuring you have ample space for all your apps, photos, and videos. Main camera. Now, let's talk photography. The Moto G54 boasts a dual camera setup with a 50 megapixels wide lens, featuring PDAF and OIS, and an 8 megapixels ultra-wide lens with a 118 field of view. Expect stunning photos with every click, and don't forget the LED flash for those low-light situations. Selfie camera. For all you selfie lovers out there, the front-facing camera is no slouch either. It packs a 16 megapixels wide lens with HDR support, ensuring your self-portraits are always on point. Sound. Audio is also a treat with the Moto G54. It comes equipped with stereo speakers for immersive sound and even retains the beloved 3.5mm headphone jack. Focuses on connectivity. Connectivity options are diverse, with Wi-Fi 802.11a, B per gram, N, AC, Bluetooth 5.3, and NFC for market-dependent usage. You are also covered on the navigation front with GPS, GLONASS, Galileo, BDS, and QZSS. Battery. Now, let's talk endurance. The Moto G54 is fueled by a hefty 6000 mAh non-removable battery. With 33W wired charging, it boasts 50% charge in just 33 minutes. Plus, it supports reverse wired charging. Miscellaneous. Wrapping things up, this smartphone comes in 3 stylish colors: midnight blue, pearl blue, and mint green. It goes by the name Moto G54. Conclusion. That's a wrap on our in-depth look at the Moto G54 smartphone. With its powerful performance, stunning display, and impressive camera setup, it's definitely one to watch out for in 2023. Be sure to hit that subscribe button for more exciting tech updates. Thanks for joining us, and we'll catch you in the next video.